Archaeologists have just decoded the darkest secret of the Cretaceous period. This group of dinosaurs survived for 2 million years by consuming 3 grams of deadly poison daily and eating dirt. 68 million years ago, deep in the forests of North America, roamed the armored tanks of the dinosaur world, Triceratops. These giants measured 8 meters in length, weighed 5 tons, and had a 30-centimeter thick frill and 3 horns capable of piercing steel. But what truly made them dominant was their genetically ingrained offensive defensive tactics. Unlike the gentle Maiasaura, Triceratops lived by the motto, "The best defense is a good offense." As the breeding season approached, a male Triceratops left the herd to forage alone, a decision that would prove to be the most dangerous of its life. Seeking top-tier nutrition, it ventured too close to the forest edge, unaware that the ultimate predator lurked in the shadows. An adult Tyrannosaurus rex, a 12-meter-long killing machine with a bite force of 5.8 tons, equivalent to 3 SUVs crushing down, and 2 subadult juveniles, as fast as cheetahs, formed the deadliest hunting group of the Cretaceous. They excelled in the art of division. The juveniles distracted the prey while the mother delivered the fatal bite. The Triceratops was instantly trapped in a deadly triangle. It used its horns to fend off the juveniles, but the adult T-Rex's teeth were closing in on its throat. At the last moment, the Triceratops fled back to its herd, which formed a defensive wall. Even the world's most powerful predator knew when to retreat. The overconfident juvenile T-Rex hesitated, but was eventually scared off by the Triceratops' intimidating display. The Triceratops resumed feeding, but to access the scarce, nutrient-rich cycads, it had to face the plant's chemical defenses. The leaves secreted cyanogenic glycosides, toxins that could paralyze the nervous system in 10 minutes. For a juvenile weighing just 1/50th of its mother, 0.3 grams of the toxin was lethal. Yet the survival wisdom of the species shone through. They had unlocked the Cretaceous pharmacy code. Deep in the caves of the Rocky Mountains, there existed a special clay rich in montmorillonite, which could absorb 90% of plant toxins. A 2023 study in paleopathology confirmed that isotopic analysis of Triceratops' skulls showed regular consumption of this clay. But for the juveniles on their first expedition, this underground river-carved passage was a deadly maze. The young dinosaur hadn't gone far before it became separated from its mother. In absolute darkness, they relied on infrasound to maintain formation, while adults used their tail hammers to tap signals on the cave walls, an ancient navigation system etched into fossilized footprints. The juveniles' hollow horn bases could detect these vibrations, and archaeologists have found rhythmic scratch marks on cave walls, evidence of this 2-million-year-old survival system. When the lost juveniles miraculously found the antidote mine, the dark survival game of the Cretaceous came to an end.